Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are doing AddMath. AddMath for IGCSE students which have syllabus code 0606 and for CIE O level students which have syllabus code 4037. So both kind of students can get equal benefit from this course. Students, in last lecture we did question number 1, 2 and 3 from exercise 9.8 chapter number 9 trigonometry. And the topic of this exercise is solving trigonometric equations, further trigonometric functions. Means we have already learned sine, cos and tan, and this exercise we are solving the equations which involves three other trigonometric functions, that is reciprocal of sine x, cosec x, reciprocal of cos x, sec x, reciprocal of tan x, cot x. Today we are going to do question number 4. You can see on your screen question number 4, exercise 9.8. Solve each of these equations for the given domain. Students, before I start question number 4, I would suggest all those students who are watching my lecture first time, kindly first go to playlist. There is a folder, name is AddMath. Watch previous lecture of this exercise. After watching previous lecture, you will have a good command on this topic. Now let's start question number 4. Solve of these equations for the given domain. Part number A, sec x minus 30 is equals to 3. Student, this is sec and the reciprocal of sec is cos. So if sec x minus 30 is 3, then cos x minus 30 is obviously 1 upon 3. And now see the given domain. The given domain is from 0 to 360 degrees. But students, if you look carefully, in the function, trigonometric function, no x as the angle, but x minus 30. So we have to convert this domain, which is from 0 to 360 degree, it should be x minus 30. How it is possible? Subtract minus 30 from each angle. 0 minus 30 is minus 30 degrees. X minus 30 is x minus 30 degrees. And 360 minus 30 is 330 degrees. Now we have to find all angles from minus 30 to positive 330. Write our equation again. Cos x minus 30 is equals to 1 upon 3. The value is positive and the cos is positive in first and fourth quadrant. So find the value x minus 30 is equals to cos inverse 1 upon 3. Cos inverse 1 upon 3 is 70.5 53 degrees, and cos is also positive. Now our domain is from minus 30 to 330. You can see this. So for minus angle, there is no value of cos which gives us 1 upon 3. So, or for 330, 330 is exists in fourth quadrant. So we have to find the angle in fourth quadrant. Just subtract this value 70.53 from 360. So x minus 30 degree is equals to 70.53 degrees, and 360 minus 70.53 is 289.47. But we need to find the value of x, so this minus 30 must be moved on other side. So x is equals to 70.53 plus 30 and 289.47 plus 30. Therefore x is equals to 70.53 plus 30 is 100.5. Correct to one decimal place. And 289.47 plus 30 is 319.5. These two values are our answer. So hope you completely understand. So in this question number 4, first we have to change the domain. Now move to part B. What is part B? Cosec 2x plus 45 is equals to minus 5, and the domain is kindly wait. And the domain is from x from 0 to 360 degrees. So this is the domain of x. We must convert it, this domain, as 2x plus 45. How it is possible? Multiply the value of angle by 2. So 2 into 0 is 0. 2 into x is 2x, and 2 into 360 is 720. And now add 45 in all angles. So 0 plus 45 is 45, and 2x plus 45 is 2x 45 degrees, and 720 plus 45 is 765. So we need to find all angles from 45 degrees to 765. Now take the question again. Cosec 2x plus 45 degrees is equals to minus 5. Convert this cosec into its reciprocal function. That is, the reciprocal of cosec x is sine. So sine 2x plus 45 degrees. This should be minus 1 upon 5, that is minus 0.2. This is negative, and sign is negative in third and in fourth quadrant. Okay, so 2x plus 45 degrees is equals to sine inverse minus 0.2. Sine inverse minus 0.2. Sorry student, one mistake I did. This one, the domain is not 360, the domain is given 180. This is my mistake. I am so sorry. So x given from 0 to 180. So 2x, sorry, 2 into 0 is 0, and 180 into 2, 360. 0 plus 45 is 45. 2x plus 45, and 360 plus 45 is 405. 405. Sorry for this. Now we need to find all angles which are in the given domain from 45 degrees to 405 degrees. Now 2x plus 45 degrees is equals to sine inverse minus 0.2, and the value is minus 11.53. And because we need to find the positive angles, because our domain is only positive angles, so we suppose that this angle as the basic angle, that is 11.53 degrees. Now we need to find the angle in third and in fourth quadrant. So for third quadrant we should add this value in 180, and we should subtract this value from 180. And now simplify with the help of calculator. $191.53 and 360 minus 11.53 is 348.47. $191.53 and 348.47. But the question is, we need to find all the angles from 45 to 405. 45 means first quadrant. So in first quadrant sign is positive, but we need to find the value is negative. In second quadrant the value is positive, so the first value which arises in third quadrant, that is 191.53, and the second value in fourth quadrant, that is 348.47, and 405 is present in first quadrant, 405, but in first quadrant sign is positive. Therefore only two angles, that is 191.53 and 348.47, are the angles where sign is negative. But this is not our final answer. This is not our final answer. These angles are equals to 2x plus 45 degrees. 191.53, 348.47. First subtract 45 from each angle. The value is 146.53. 146.53. And the second, 303.47. But this is not our final answer because we need the values of x, and this is equals to 2x. So we should divide each angle by 2. 146.53 upon 2 and 303.47 upon 2. X is equals to first angle is 73.3, 73.3 correct to 1 decimal place. Second angle is 151.7, and this is our final answer. So hope you understand how we do these kind of trigonometric equations. Let's start part C. What is part C? Part C is cot x plus pi by 3 is equals to 2, and the domain is given x from 0 to 2 pi. Students, you can see that the domain is given in terms of pi. Pi means now angle is given in radians. So in order to make this domain as x plus pi by 3, add pi by 3 in all angles. 0 plus pi by 3 is pi by 3, x plus pi by 3 is x plus pi by 3, 2 pi plus pi by 3. So pi by 3, x plus pi by 3, and 2 pi plus pi by 3 is 7 pi by 3. So this is our domain. Take the question. Cot x plus pi by 3 is equals to 2. Cot is the reciprocal of tan, so this should be tan x plus pi by 3 is equals to 2 becomes 1 upon 2, and this is positive, and tan is positive, you know, in first and in third quadrant. So for this domain pi by 3 to 7 pi by 3, tan is positive in first and in third quadrant. Okay, now find the value. X plus pi by 3 is equals to tan inverse 1 upon 2. Before you find this value tan inverse 1 upon 2 from your calculator, you must first you must convert your calculator in radian mode. Okay, The value is 26.56. And for third quadrant, this value must be add in pi. So the value is pi plus 26.56. So first 26.56 radians and pi plus 26.56 is 29.7. 29.7 radians. Now this is not our final answer. We should subtract these two values. Sorry, we should subtract pi by 3 from these two values. So x is equals to this pi by 3 should be subtract from 26.56 and 29.7 minus pi by 3. But I want to check, I think there is some mistake. Sorry students, I forgot to convert my calculator into radian mode. Though I advise you, but unfortunately I didn't follow my advice to myself, and this is very bad. So I say sorry again. So tan inverse 1 upon 2, when the calculator is in radian, the first value is 0.46 and the second value must be pi plus 0.46 because tan is positive in first and in third quadrant. So pi plus 0.46 is 3.6061. Therefore, x is equals to 0.46 minus pi by 3 and 3.61 minus pi by 3. So x is equals to 0.46 minus pi by 3. Kindly wait, I am checking is there any mistake. Yes. So 0.46 minus pi by 3 is minus 0.587 minus 0.587 comma 3.61 minus pi by 3 is 2.56. Student, this is not our final answer because if you look carefully, the domain is from pi by 3. Pi by 3 means first quadrant to 7 pi by 3, 7 pi by 3 means again we will achieve first quadrant, because 7 pi by 3 means 390, and 390 lies in, see this is the first cycle complete, and this, so this is 7 pi by 3, and 10 is also present in this quadrant. So our third angle must be I am writing over here, our third angle must be 2 pi plus 0.46. So 2 pi plus 0.46 is 6.74. Now x is equals to 0.46 minus pi by 3 is minus 0.587. Then 3.61 minus pi by 3 is 2.56, and then 6.74 minus pi by 3 is 5.70. Now we have three angles. X is equals to minus 0.587. But students, our domain is 0 to 2 pi. It means negative values should be excluded. So we will not take 0 minus 0.57. So we have only two answers. One is 2.56 radians and other is 5.70 radians, and this is our final answer. So hope you completely understand this important part, important for examination point of view. Now start last part, D. Part D is 3 sec 2x plus 3 is equals to 4. The domain is given. Kindly wait. The domain is given from 0 to pi, x from 0 to pi. But the angle in the trigonometric function is 2x plus 3. So we have to convert this as 2x plus 3. How? First we multiply 0 by 2, that is 0. Multiply x by 2, that is 2 by 2, pi by 2, pi by 2, that is 2 pi. And next we have to add 3 in all angles. 0 plus 3 is 3. 2x plus 3 is 2x plus 3. And 2 pi plus 3 is, add this, 2 pi plus 3 is 9.28. So we need to find all angles which lies in this domain, that is from 3 to 9.28. Now take question 3. This is the given question. 3 sec 2x plus 3 is equals to 4. Then sec 2x plus 3 is equals to 4 upon 3. Reciprocal of sec is cos. So cos 2x plus 3, this should be 3 upon 4. And you know cos is positive. And cos is positive in first and in fourth quadrant. So first we have to find the value in first quadrant. 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3 is equals to cos inverse 3 upon 4. What is cos inverse 3 upon 4? Your calculator must be in radian mode. It is 0.72. But students, this is not our desired value. Why? Look carefully. The domain from 3 to 9.82, where 3 is lies. 3 is lies in second quadrant, because the first quadrant is from 0 to pi by 2, the second quadrant is from 0 to pi. And 9.28 is 2 pi plus 3. 2 pi plus 3 must be in this quadrant, because this cycle is 2 pi, so it should be 2 pi plus 3. 2 pi is 3, not currently lies in this quadrant, it should lies in this quadrant, but we need to find the value in fourth quadrant and then after second cycle in first quadrant. What does it mean? Little bit confused maybe you are. 2x plus 3, first we find the value in fourth quadrant. So for fourth quadrant we must subtract this value from 2 pi, that is 2 pi minus 0.72, and for again find the value in first quadrant we must add this value, basic angle 0.72 in 2 pi. Therefore 2 pi minus 0.72 is 5.56, and 2 pi plus 0.72 is 7.0. But this is not our final answer, because we need to find the value of x. We need to find the value of x. So x 2x is equals to 2x plus 3 is equals to, first is 5.56 and second is 7.0. So first 2x is equals to 5.56 minus 3 and 7.0 minus 3. So 2x is equals to 5.56 minus 3. 5.56 minus 3 is 2.56 and 7.0 minus 3 is 4.00. Write in three significant figures. And finally, we divide each value by 2. If I say this part of question number 4 is more important and more hard working is required, so it is not wrong. So first value is 1.28 and second value is 2.00. That's it. This is our final answer. So student, do hard work and don't use the word that this question is very difficult and unsolvable. No, this is not good. Always says it's tricky. The question is tricky, but don't say the question is difficult. Here is the summary of part D. So today we have finished all parts of question number 4. This question is very important. Kindly do practice more and more and more. But if you feel any problem in this question or in previous question, write in comment box. I will help you. What next? Only 2 questions are left in this exercise, question number 5 and question number 6. I will try to finish this exercise in a single lecture, otherwise in 2 lectures I will finish the whole exercise. So students, if you like my videos, my lectures, if you are satisfying, if you think that my videos are helping you, kindly do subscribe my channel. And whenever you subscribe, don't forget to press the bell icon button so that when I upload my videos, you will get the notification. Kindly share my videos as many as you can. Okay students, good luck for next lecture.